Hello guys, welcome back to our channel AutoZone India. Today we are going to do a review of all new Tata Altroz 2020. But before that, those who are new to this channel, I request you to watch this video completely so you will never miss any points related to same. Also do like, share and subscribe AutoZone India. Tata Altroz falls under the category of premium hatchback segment in Indian market with an huge competition with Maruti Suzuki Baleno and Hyundai i20. We'll check out today what are the things which will make Tata Altroz to be towards an competitive edge in this competition. Talking about the general specifications of the product, the vehicle comes with 1.2 liter Revotron BS6 1.5 liter turbocharged Revotroc BS6 engine. Fuel type will be within both options, petrol as well as diesel. The petrol engine of this vehicle comes with an 1199cc 3-cylinder engine and the diesel will come with 1497cc 4-cylinder engine. Maximum power is 86 at 6000 rpm and 90 at 4000 rpm. Maximum torque will be 113 at 3300 rpm, 200 at 1250 to 3000 rpm. Talking about the transmission type, it comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. The dimensions of the vehicle in terms of length, it will be 3990 mm. The width will be 1755 mm and the height will be 1523 mm. Considering the wheelbase, it will be 2501 mm. The ground clearance of this vehicle is around 165 mm. Good capacity of the vehicle is 345 liters. Minimum turning radius is around 5 meters. Talking about the brakes, the front will be a disc brake and the rear brake will be of a drum. Talking about the suspension setup, the front suspension setup will be independent MacPherson dual path strut with coil spring and the rear will be twist beam with coil spring and shock absorber. Talking about the wheels and tires, the vehicle will come with an steel wheels with the caps for XC, XM and XT model and alloy wheels for the top end model XZ and XZ optional. Considering the tire size, it comes with an 165 by 80 R14 for petrol and diesel versions for model XC petrol, diesel XM and 195 by 55 R16 for the upper versions like in petrol XT, petrol XZ, petrol XZ optional, 185 by 60 R16 for diesel options, diesel XT and diesel XZ. Considering the spare tire size, it will be 165 by 80 R14 for the top end version as well. The seating capacity of the vehicle is of 5 people and the fuel capacity will be of 37 liters. Talking about the safety standards of the vehicle has been designed to offer world-class protection to its occupants. Equipped with Alpha architecture and a comprehensive safety system, Altroz has achieved 5-star global NCAP rating. Alpha Arc, Agile, Light, Flexible, Advanced is the full form of Alpha. Architecture along with energy absorbing body structure accounts for absolute safety of passengers. It also comes with an ABS. The latest anti-locking braking system 9.3 version prevents wheel lock-up during panic braking, thereby maintaining directional stability. Electronic brake force. Electronic brake force distribution system distributes the brake power between the front and the rear axle to maintain efficient on and road control. Corner stability control. Stay in absolute corner especially while undertaking sharp and speedy turns. It also comes with an dual front airbags which helps to ensure complete and thorough protection for front passengers in case of collision. Reverse parking camera which will help you in increasing the visibility behind the wheel, assist in easy parking in tighter spaces with the help of guidelines. Isofix Keep your little one safe with an easy installation system for child seats to make every drive blissful and relaxed. It also comes with an voice alerts. Timely voice alerts and warning prevents you from unwanted mishaps. Voice alert warnings like an driver open door, co-driver door open, left rear door open, right rear door open, tailgate open, driver seat belt fasten, seat belt, co-driver seat belt fasten your seat belt, and so on. Also tons of features like an parking assistance, height adjustable seat belt, fog lamps, and so on. Also the vehicle comes with an 5 color options. The first one will be an high street gold, second one will be skyline silver, third one will be downtown red, fourth color will be midtown grey, and fifth one will be avenue white. The car will fall under the price bracket of 5,24,000 and it will go till around 9,34,000. I hope you had find this video a bit informative. If it is so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel AutoZone India. Also related to your any suggestions, you can mention in the comment box below. Thank you guys for giving your precious time. Always wear helmet and seat belts. Thank you.